Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to invite members to your study group. To do this, from the home page you click on library at the bottom, then you click on study groups. You see your study group, so to invite them you can click on invite members, and then you can have a maximum of 5 members. So you can copy the link and paste it where you want them to get there so they can access it, or you can send it through messages, through WhatsApp, through Gmail. Let's see what we have under more. Okay, you can do it through Gmail, through Quickshare, Chrome, as every other way you can invite them. So LinkedIn, Bluetooth, is as simple as that. So once you've done that, that's how to invite. Now in case this is not showing down here, you can simply click on the Twitter to the top and click on invite members. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.